Welcome, guys. Today is my first day at school. Yeah. So I'm up early, frying some plantain, making some breakfast. And so after that, I'm just going to head out to school because I don't want to be late, guys. So I'm just going to go and check out the whole college and everything that they have to say and some book prices as well. So guys, stay tuned to see how my first day went. Okay, guys, so I'm up early trying to fry some plantains and boil some eggs. That's what we'll have for breakfast this morning. You know, breakfast is very important and things, so we're gonna start the day right. Yes.
That book almost looks like it fits me.
Oh, what did you say?
I said, I hope you have a good day at school.
Oh, Joe, thank you. Thank you, buddy. So guys, I'm just up trying to work with this weight that I don't like after all. And Jojo, I don't know why I'm wake up so early. He said he wants to make his help me pack lunch. So okay, I'm gonna put ham in there. I don't know, but Jojo, he woke up super early before anyone, saying that, Mommy, I want to help you. Yeah, I don't know. That was kind of different seeing Jojo just getting up, trying. He packed his lunch by himself this morning and everything, just showing me that, he can be so helpful and independent and thing, and I was like very impressed with him. So I'm just gonna share look a rice and oxtail from the dinner that was cooked for my lunch today. Yes, guys, can't afford for day that we hungry at school, and I'm not planning to spend a lot of money on food and stuff like that at school when I can bring something to eat. Hey guys, I just came outside. Today I'm Ubering to school because why? I'm gonna be at school all day and I didn't get like a parking spot set up or anything like that. And for me to pay parking for the whole day, it's gonna cost me way too much money. The Uber is $10, so I'm just gonna Uber to school for today because I start orientation at 8, but my last class ends at 6:30. That's way too long, and the parking can be very expensive if you don't have like a parking spot or something, parking, pay parking, the whole student thingy. To just pay temporary parking for one day, it's too much. So guys, it's almost 8 o'clock now, so I'm really hoping that the Hooper gets here like sooner than later. We got a little bit of snow, guys. So I could take the bus there. I need to take the bus and I probably have to walk. Uber for Tiffany?
Yeah.
Good, you? So guys, I'm at school now and I'm just heading quickly to the orientation class. This school is so big, oh my goodness. Even have a bridge that go across the street. Anyways, the orientation is 3 hours, so yeah. Good luck to me. Let's get into it. So guys, I'm overwhelmed just to get the photo. ID, because you can't come and take a picture, you have to upload it. Jesus Christ, I don't know what was going on with my phone. I wasn't able to do it. Take me some time, but I'm saying I give up, and I'm so hungry, and I'm like, nope, nah, I do not want to make upload this photo. Have a few more to do things on my list today before I go home. So today I don't have any classes or anything. It's just orientation. It was 3 hours orientation, and I cannot tell you, I almost fall asleep at the last half an hour. God no, Jesus help me. So now I'm just in the cafeteria to eat my little food. I meet one person from work, which was good. So she did all of this already, so it's okay. So me, just have to eat my little oxtail and then continue. I want to go to the bookstore and stuff like that. So. Food nice one more time. Oh my, $99. A crocodile tail. Push your grade with study aids. Oh my. So guys, as you can see on the screen there, that's my total for the books that I got today. $592, which is almost $600 basically. And I still didn't get two of my books. So just imagine. This is so expensive, my goodness. So guys, today I had like 3 hours of orientation, which was like overwhelming with all that information. Good, important stuff, but so long. Like I literally almost fell asleep in the last little bit of the presentations. Them God know. But it was a good day though. So I went to the bookstore and I got some books. That cost me almost $600. And that was not all the books. Some of the books, I think I didn't buy 2 or 3 books because they were like online or something like that. I was just like, okay, I will come back another day because I was supposed to provide some kind of barcode and I didn't have it. So I'm tired. So guys, I will show you what I got today. This one was $45, but so nice. Yeah. Do, 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 do. So my first book is Guide to Nursing, and this one is Canadian Fundamentals of Nursing. Then this one is Canadian Clinical Nursing Skills and Techniques. Then I have Calculate with Confidence. This is definitely maths. Math. Then we have this gentle, persuasive approach for in dementia care. So those are the books. I think there's 3 more books, mostly for psychology and stuff like that I didn't get because they're online only. So I will go back there to get those ones tomorrow. But today I was like finished. I was like, that's it for me today. I'm not doing anything more. So guys, yeah. Overall, I had a good day. As I said before, lots of information, but you know, it's to prepare us for what is to come. And I was feeling very excited and nervous. Can I tell you, the room was filled with like 160 students. Like a big room with like almost 200 children, students. That is a lot of people for the program. But nursing is a very competitive course, so I'm just like, going in there to do my best and everything. It's a little bit harder on me because I'm pregnant. Like even today, they had a lot of people out to help you, direct you. So whoever you see wearing that green shirt that says Student Access Service, you can stop them, you can ask them question, whatever. And one lady, I asked her to for the bookstore, and she said, I can take it there because it's a bit of a, lots of turns and curves. And I was like, okay, no problem. And I'm telling you, I could barely keep up with the woman, the young girl. She was walking so fast. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put out my best foot, as I said before, and hope for the best for me and baby. But one time in during presentation, the orientation, I just felt the baby just and I was like, okay, calm down, calm. Calm down. The way she was just kicking like 10 times, like boom, 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 boom. And I was just like, okay, what's going on here? But that just tells me that she's gonna be a good student. She's very alert and very attentive. Oh my goodness. But guys, overall, I feel happy. I feel excited. Along with being nervous and everything, I do feel happy and feel good that I'm doing this, not just for me, but for my whole family. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked my video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.